Togo chaka bene ni gaba iboli na borokia basegetira borokiwa komento mokia asama somabo aseba bolirie aborokiwa kwenekia bunati bari kuchwe sona ne bikole byo gusamba chiskuro ibigende to comment kana aseba igo bakabiya asaborokiwa kuragusi asogotwara chingenjo chingia asama somabo okwana imiye skuru yoboroso ya St Mary's Nyabururu nigaba iboli boigo basabiri kokwenekia buna kokwana bale abana babo chingakibe aliganetie go chikokara amatemu amanene a KCSE nabega amatemu ya a junior nabego senior secondary
itangana kabisa tikangakira abanafunzi baito bagusi na Nyamira asengencho babikiro molemba sichikuru mbara akora magana makongwaroro nande tukosaba bagenderega kyagera chingaki cya amatemu arange nalitokora lemekone menge koba igo tukosaba ngabana baito bagendere ko babalemereria matukonko erale nkoenda balinka bali form 4 tubatakira Amaiya abali 6 tubatakira Amaiya na abali grade 9 balochokara amatemu amatanga for the first time curriculum based education na bali banda abayibuli ba gatolenda abana baito tenda abana baito egerekera bachita se chiskuru mbanyara bakora amagana aturu chiskuru chikoya ya egere obugima bwabo asichinga kichankyo bobe obuya
watoto wao kukua kwa sababu sisi tunaweza kusaidia, tunakaa na wao for 3 months maybe, wao wanakaa mwezi moja. So lazima wazazi wafike karibu watoto wao. Kama sasa tunaelekea holiday ya December ambayo ni refu, tutawapea wazazi, lakini sana sana kitu wazazi watatufanyia ni kuexpose hao watoto to so much internet, to social media, na wakirudi unapata they are different than what we gave them. So parents, we call upon you that as the children are coming to stay with you for this time, be with them, give them that parental care, parental nurture that they have missed for long.
Rachigasi mwensi nige kobetereria otwara bolemereri kyagera abana na bara guchogose abayibuli baguchogose bali baguchogose bono goikoba molemereria na endo kole gasi aukiane rotumiro kole bira gutwara bolemereria egasi nige kobe nkong sana akero bwerwete kole gasi yao ke gasi yao likire origererio omwana gasti wanu kabwate ngao yakolete school neri yakolete school pia mono
gote bana ki ntubuna abayibuli ntobwate jukumu sana kora abana baito mono chiruse chimne yego ya December nonyane April na August abana baito toba ikaransi ntuna abayibuli tobate binga etobona takopanga abana batwaro musingi omuya kera bone gantere ngende kemo eskuru basamba muisonde eibone garama nande gocha bakasa abayibuli igombi abana baito aba high school mono kyano omuchano gotoka mono masa high school toba ikaransi na abayibuli nanengo sabe serikali na ne ministry eche na good policies chogotebanga bunakobeka abana aba na kubabeka amo kama kuna any issue eyegocha between abayibuli na balimu bosene any management ya school management tuikaransense toba omwalaki omuya elinde abana aba batwaro musingi omuya mambiende bacha gotokonya intuna abayibuli when our time expire asenseye taribo gaki
Naboigo ababwatani be serikali nigo beno besokiri na kukiria omurayo mukuru bwense ya Kenya omusike Uhuru Kenyatta kubwatikana nenkwana ariyaje asiritskorya ichuma hime ya ngongi mubagane Oroscos hasegi karogya NDC chigakiba muboliriye gwetanga na siasa na komo omurayo bwense ya Kenya libaga erianyare kura abakenya naboigo goikiraniria abakenya.
Saa zingine tunashindwa tukisomewa na hata marais wenye walikuwa Kenya hii. You should be very lucky kwamba umeishi kama rais mpaka wa leo, wakati rais mwenye anajua kufanya kazi amekuja kufanya kazi. So badala ya kutusomea, hata nilikuwa nasikia leo mwenye alikuwa rais wa Kenya mwaka jana tu ati anatusomea leo, ati anatupea hii ndio ingekuwa inafanywa, hii ndio ingekuwa imefanyika. Sasa wewe hujamaliza hata mwaka 2 umeenda nyumbani na tunakumbuka serikali yako venye ilifanya. Pesa ya COVID mulikula, hatukupiga kelele. Pesa ya barabara uliweka region moja, hatukuona hapa Kibwezi. pesa ya kila kitu walifanya vitu yenye hata ukiangalia saa hii mtu anajaribu kutuongelesha kutuambia mambo ya security. Mambo ya security. Saa hii watoto wenye walitolewa Rivayala, wenye waliuawa na kutupwa kwa mitoni, zaidi ya watoto 200. Ati leo wanatusomea mambo ya security. Askari wenye waliumiza watu, hata wakati huyu ndugu wetu walishindwa kwa kiti, walijaribu kwenda maandamano kuulizia kura yao zilienda wapi, walifanyiwa nini? Vitu mingi sana. So, serikali yenye ilienda, please tafadhali, pea sisi break. Kaeni chini muone venye serikali inaendeshwa. And we are only 2.5 years to this government. So, tunataka kuambia rais aliyestaafu, you should be a gentleman. Saa hii ungekuwa unazunguka huko Ethiopia, unazunguka huko Somalia kutafuta amani, unazunguka South Sudan kutafuta amani, saa hii ungekuwa Kongo kutafuta amani. Wacha kusumbua nchi. Wacha rais mwenye alichaguliwa na wananchi apewe nafasi kupanga nchi yake. Mwaka 5 ikiisha anakuja kuomba hawa raia.
Nabigo mwanchito murigeria tugusika mutwe nigo murikyo munene bwa bocheno musubati Meri Muthoni otebire bune serikali yachakire kubarikia abasibu abonsi mensi ya Kenya asomorobirio osha nabigo chingaki umurikyo munene bw'ichera Salome Biko nera tebire buna okurikiwo ko nigo korekane boikeranu nigo korekane boikeranu omoirio bwo mwakoyo chingaki atebire buna nenchira yemo yogo chikweneke buna nabarabu nkonyora bari obogwenya morobiro korekana ase chinsemo chi county ya Meru.
Serikali ya William Samoei Ruto tumesema ya kwamba watu wakienda hapa chini mahospitali za chini, wewe ukuwe umejiandikisha tu, na hata ukiwa kwa hiyo laini ujiandikishe ukiwa hapo, hiyo jina yako inakuwa activated. Hata utapewa kadi, wewe unahitaji tu ID yako. Sasa mimi ni venye ningesema, kwa sababu ninajua kuna huduma center hapa Meru, watu waende wachukue ID. Na adhuri, tafadhali tuache kuambia mabibi watumia ID yetu. Hata wamama pia wacha kuambia mzee atumia ID yako. Kila rais aliposikia hivyo, one of the things alisema ni kuwa tukue na registration of SHA kwa prisons, na hiyo ni kazi tunafanya ndio angalau watu wangu wapate matibabu. Sasa tuko na hiyo program tunaenda kumalizia by end of this year, tutamalizia, tutaregister kila mtu kwa SHA ndio angalau apate matibabu.
As expressed everywhere else, we have majority of the people in prison being either there because of drug and alcohol abuse or sexual offenses, and they are interrelated. And so we have agreed that we will step up restoration of families. We will step up counseling sessions at schools, at hospitals, in churches. We will use a whole of government approach to ensure that all of us are putting effort to reduce the abuses and to reduce the number of our children that are falling off falling into cracks because of that substance abuse, because many families are breaking down. Many children are not going to school. Now children as young as 12 years old are abusing drugs, and that is
Tugotikarana yo manchito Margeria ni gaboroki ba JSS baruro basaba gucyase ekiombe kiria kibatenerete gya TSC kwene kyabuna aboroki abungo tenena bare asibatebire buna tibari gochwekerana ase skuru jinga kibabolire ekiombe kyo ne serikali kwene kyabuna ngo cyabale gwetenenera bunenchira yemo yo gwetenena barabu abanyene babuna abari ba JSS kurene ngo batebire boigo masomo tayo agochikogendera ase chiskuru.
We want a confirmation of our JSS teachers who are still in turns. And we are saying that come January, we shall not have classes if our JSS teachers shall not be confirmed. And I want to affirm today that our JSS teachers in primary now who have been confirmed will rally behind those not confirmed and ensure that they are confirmed. And we are going to paralyze education. It doesn't mean that we must go to the streets We can even have a sitting in school and eat and relax and don't go to class. You cannot force us to open our mouth to teach. We can decide to close our mouths and sit in class. And that will be what we call Cold War. Your Excellency, listen to the cries of the Kenyan teacher. The JS teachers, even in the primary section right now, there is no education going on. To be very sincere, those learners are getting a raw deal. Simply because some administrators have decided not to cooperate and buy the required materials.
When you get the issues direct from them, you will get the reality on the ground. Yes. Otherwise, when JS are represented by the NAT officials or maybe even the KUPPET officials, you may miss out the nitty-gritties or the serious issues that they are going through.
Sisi wenyewe walimu wa JS tunajua mahali inatutatiza. Kule tunachanga chakula, tunachanga chai, tunafanya vipi hivi kwamba kule matatizo mengi. Tunajaribu kuambia Wizara ya Elimu, tunajaribu kuambia bunge, tunajaribu kuambia rais wetu mtukufu Daktari William Samoei Ruto. Kwa sababu tafadhali ita interim leaders wa JS keti na wao chini. Wao ndio wanajua mahali tatizo ambalo wako nayo. Tatizo letu ni kwamba tunataka tukue na autonomy, independent structure, leadership structure vizuri. Tunataka kuwa pia kule JS tukue na principal, tukue na deputy principal, tukue na head of departments kama ilivyo kwenye senior school.
Kama KUPPET tungependa JS wapewe kujisimamia wenyewe. Wajisimamie wenyewe kwa upande wa hata na pesa za shule zao, kwa sababu serikali inapotuma pesa tunajua kwamba kuna pesa zinaenda primary na kuna pesa inaenda JS. So tunasema wachana na JS wasimamie pesa zao ili wapate kufanya maendeleo ya watoto wa
Manjito Margeria kine kiombe gya KUPPET chinga kibegereire aborokia ba JSS kunyara ba kuigwekana ne serikali na bego kiombe keri gya tesi bunenchira ya moyo chkwene kyabona ngwetenenera bale kunene togoska mutwe nige kiombe gya KNCCI use Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry kiamulikire obokoreri bwobonchore mense asigia tebiromna ensi ya Kenya teriye gochegwikerania obokoreri bwaye asenseme yo chinga kibabulia serikali kwene kiabonangu chire kolgeria chisira asenseme yo yoboncholiria.
The good thing, we are from the cradle of mankind as Turkana, where all the human beings originated, and we also encourage the Murang'a people to come to Turkana because Turkana is home and Turkana is a place to be, and Turkana is a oil hub which actually will help Kenya to grow. So we need to be part of Turkana as Mulima. Generally, as business community, we don't want to pull ourselves to this kind divide and rule, politics divide and rule. We are one Kenya, one community in terms of businesses. So we really want everyone to be together in this kind of businesses. We are not part of division on politics. We are here to join hands and grow together as business communities for us to grow this country.
As chambers of commerce, we have a greater vision to see the vibrancy of our businesses and the sustainability of the growth of our economy. And the only way that one can happen is when we get our people to understand about the basic information on how to sustain their businesses. And this cannot be done without sharing of information, sharing of research, and sharing of the outcomes that we have at different counties. Today, the forum in Murang'a, I want to believe it will be a great forum for us to learn different things, for us to learn how business can be started, business can be handled, and business can be how business can be sustained.
Na gwikira gwo mwanjito murigeria no kubutera Amaiya Chinsa Isano na Ibere korene tigangwa kirembia mono asogo chore gitasindia ito ya Nsoko TV ko begitasini kyago namba yemo na begombia mono asoko genda gusangana itwe asemero biri ito na begombia mono ase ogoto support ya somtanda uli Facebook kuna togo tibyanga na bogoto follow TikTok na bego X boka YouTube na bogo subscribe tonyara togo skamba buna omogusi chiga kitogo tibyanga egetasini ya Nsoko TV na kigetasini namba yemo kurasoro ngorwa gusi kiugwanchira kwena eriogiriago na baigo ebirengereri byago tumerane mese ya mangana Amaiya chiga kichinde iritirende na Ndemo tumerane ankyo na Nyasaye abe naye chiga kichirwe gwakira kibati na baigo told ngambia mono asogusangana inchi na kwene kiamuna chibichana mali inge chara sinchira gyabene.